Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We take a look at the Ethereum chart from an Elliott wave point of view, which is a method to analyze market structure, and it gives us insights about market sentiment, where markets might turn around, critical support areas, invalidation points, and when one scenario morphs into another scenario. So overall, this method allows us to understand the current position a price is in a certain cycle. And we want to talk about this first on the daily time frame. Here on the daily chart, you can see that the market is moving up in a price channel. And as long as the market is in this price channel, there is no need to get really bearish about the chart. In addition to that, the market is currently holding above an important support area, a so-called Fibonacci support area, here on the daily time frame. By the way, if you want to know more about all of this, learn more about Elliott Wave, just make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we are talking here about different cryptocurrencies from an Elliott Wave point of view on a daily basis. But this support area here, is critical because it is one of these Fibonacci support areas which, if the price tests it, this is where the bulls could turn up, where the buyers could turn up and step in and drive the price higher. There is no guarantee that this area will be tested, but in one of the scenarios it's likely, and therefore it needs to be presented here on the chart so that if it's tested, you have some parameters to watch, you know which levels the market should respect to keep this roadmap. It's nothing else, it's just a roadmap, to keep this roadmap alive. Now there are two scenarios I'm tracking. In the yellow scenario, the market bottomed in a wave 4 in August. We're now in a wave 5. I mean, that's the general assumption, right? So there are two bullish scenarios which should take the price to all-time highs. In the yellow scenario, we have seen an A wave already, which topped here in December. A B wave is now unfolding, and then we could get another rally to all-time highs. And the B wave could unfold as a wider ABC structure. And for this B wave pullback, the support area between $2,400 and $3,160 is relevant. Don't forget, this support area was already touched, triggered. Therefore, I cannot rule out that wave B already bottomed because it's already reached. But it would still look best in the yellow scenario if we get a wider B wave correction. Now, in the white scenario, which is a little bit more aggressively bullish, we also saw the A wave already. Then there was a B wave, which bottomed in the middle of November. And now we are in a C wave already. Bit more aggressively bullish, bit more directly bullish. And in this scenario, the market could move towards $5,740 plus in quite a direct fashion. And it would be something like a 1-2 setup here, and then maybe another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We would move up like that in a very direct fashion without testing the orange support area once more. Now, how can we distinguish these? Well, we can do that on the smaller time frame, because on the smaller time frame, what you can see here is the yellow scenario, which allows for an ABC structure. In one of the previous videos, we talked about maybe another high. Well, this happened, and the wave count is now full. The structure is technically full in this B wave. Of course, it could still extend higher. Best I can tell, however, a break below $3,540 could indicate that wave C to the downside has started. At least it would strongly favor this scenario. But bear in mind, when you watch the video, the micro price action might have shifted already a little bit, which is why it's important to be aware of all the parameters. But if the market pushes higher, it is still possible either as an extension of wave B, or in the more bullish scenario, we could form all 5 waves here in white. The white scenario needs to reach around about $4,000 at least, but in 5 waves. To confirm further, it's the white scenario, not yellow. The yellow B wave can't be a 5-wave move, but in the white scenario, the bullish count, yes. So I'm watching if the market can form all 5 waves to the upside to round about $4,000, because this is precisely what we need to confirm further the white scenario and start to rule out yellow, which would lead to another test of support. Yeah, that's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.